Hello everyone, welcome back to the Luna Park YouTube channel. My name is Patricia. Today we're going to be unboxing the Studio Series Transformers 48 Off-road Bumblebee.
You to fan out and track that thing down now! Drive! There! What the hell? Take it down!
So the new Transformers movie came out about a month ago in the States, but since the movies are delayed in Japan, we'll be getting the movie in about a month. So I haven't actually seen the movie, but I heard the reviews aren't that great. So we did a little research on all of the reviews for all Transformer movies, and the best reviewed one was actually this one, the Bumblebee one. So that is why we're unboxing the one from Bumblebee today. So in the new Bumblebee movie, there's one scene where he transforms into a Jeep, which has never been done before in the Transformers series. So in today's video, we'll get to see him in Jeep mode. Starting off with the exterior, we see that there's a big window where you can see Bumblebee. Over here is an artwork, and then we have the name in both English and Japanese. They're actually the same for this figure, so it's Off-road Bumblebee. Over at the top, we have the Takara Tomy logo, and over here we have Transformers. Now, taking it to the back, we see two different modes. So we see him in robot mode and him in Jeep mode. Now let's take a look at the inside. So the contents of the inside is very simple. We have one layer with the main figure, an additional weapon, the instruction manual, and also a background. Now let's go ahead and transform him into Jeep mode. Alright, so here he is in Jeep form. Honestly, it was really easy to transform him. We just followed the very easy steps, and yeah, it was really easy. The only, I guess, negative aspect of this was that they weren't able to completely hide the arms. So if you look at the very back, you can see the arms are still kind of looking like arms. But as for the car itself, I like that they have this like paint for the front of the Jeep. And then also there's details in the inside. So there's the steering wheel and also 2 chairs. And I also like that they added the extra wheel at the back. Yeah, honestly, I can't complain too much because this is a Studio Series figure. But I think it's really cool displayed like this. There are plenty of Bumblebee figures from different series or different makers, but this one is special because it's the only one that can change into a Jeep. And just a reminder that Bumblebee only does this once in the entire Transformers series, so that makes it extra special. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope you like this unboxing, and also let us know in the comments below whether you watched the new Transformers movies or not, and also your thoughts about it. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye!
Thank you
So much.
for giving me my voice.
Thank you for making me feel like me again. Never forget you. Goodbye, Bumblebee.